بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. The way Allah has praised Sahaba, His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam has also been praising Sahaba multiple times on different occasions. Once Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "O people, I am pleased with Abu Bakr. Everyone should realize his rank. I am pleased with Umar, Uthman, Ali, Talha, Zubair, Sa'ad, Sa'id, Abdurrahman ibn Auf, and Abu Ubaidah Ridwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'een. Everyone should realize their ranks." The Prophet ﷺ has said, "O people, Allah has announced the forgiveness of the participants of Badr and Hudaybiyah." And once Prophet ﷺ said, "O people, you should regard for me while dealing with my Sahaba, and whoever has that shall find me as his guardian on the day of judgment." Prophet ﷺ has also said, "Ashabi kan nujum bi ayyihim iqtadaytum ihtadaytum." My Sahaba are like stars which guides. Whoever you follow, you will be guided to the right path. Once he said, "Fear Allah for blaming my Sahaba for anything. Man ahabbahum fabihubbi ahabbahum wa man abghadahum fabibughdhi abghadahum." Who loves them, they actually love them for their love for me, and who hates them, they actually hate them for they hate for me. And once he said, "Who annoys Sahaba annoys me, and who annoys me annoys Allah, and whoever tries to annoy Allah, Allah will soon seize them." Once Prophet ﷺ said, "Never abuse any of my Sahaba. If any of you are to spend gold equal to the Mount Uhud in the name of Allah, cannot equal the reward of a Sahabi when a Sahabi spends a mud or a half of mud of grain in the name of Allah. And mud is just over a kilo or 1.5 pounds. Once Prophet ﷺ said, "Who abuses Sahaba will have curse of Allah upon him, curse of Prophet upon him, curse of angels upon him, and curse of mankind upon him, combined all together. Neither his fard will be acceptable, nor his nafl will be acceptable." Hazrat Ayyub Sajistani rahmatullah alayhi has said, "Who praises and honors Sahaba is free of hypocrisy. He cannot be a hypocrite, a munafiq. And whoever disrespects Sahaba, he is surely an innovator, mubtadi', a munafiq, hypocrite, and an anti-sunnah, mukhalif lis-sunnah." And nothing can be above the saying of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he says, "Khayru ummati qarni, thumma alladhina yalunahum, thumma alladhina yalunahum." The best of the best people of my ummah are of my age, and no doubt they are Sahaba. I feel sorry to say that every one of us knows the condition of their iman in these modern days. How much are we practicing Islam? How much are we obeying Allah's orders and the Prophet ﷺ's sunnah? Every single of us knows that. One of the problems is our laziness towards deen. But another problem on top of it is that there are many people neglecting the honor and respect of Sahaba. One of the most dangerous sins and problems is that some negligent people who are actually careless about their faith, they are directly disrespecting and dishonoring Sahaba. They are disrespecting by making adverse remarks. Everyone should know that the Sahaba are the ones who has laid the foundation of Islam. They are the first ones who has stood up to support Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They are the pioneers in preaching Islam. We can never be grateful to the right they owe us in handling deen to us. May Allah shower His infinite blessings on their souls for their efforts in acquiring Islam from the Prophet ﷺ and handing it down to us. I would love to remind everyone an unfortunate but a real truth, that because of non-Islamic upbringing of our children, the Spider-Man and Superman have become their heroes. Mickey Mouse, Batman, Tom and Jerry are role models for them. Though our real heroes are Sahaba, because Allah and His Messenger has presented them to us like heroes. They have presented them like role models which are to be followed. So it's my humble request to put Sahaba in front of your children as real heroes. For the entertainment purpose of your children, kindly make them listen to the lives and stories of Sahaba. I would request again, in case if you don't have time, then at least use my channel for the education purpose of your children. I have come up with a channel with the intention to introduce Sahaba to the youth of this ummah. May Allah give me the ikhlas. Make your children listen to these short clips. Let them know at least who were Sahaba and what are the goods that they have done to us. Right now, when I have just started a channel, my initial intention is just to introduce Sahaba. Let's see into the future. If I receive some comments and responses from my audience, I shall add some extra Islamic content to it, which shall be beneficial for all of us. And at the end, I would love to repeat my humble request once again that don't forget to spread the word by sharing it, liking it, subscribing it, and pressing the notification icon. So whenever I come up with a new video or an audio clip, you will be the first one to know about that. Help me spread the word. وصلى الله تعالى أعلى وأعلم وأحكم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.